Good boy. All right, come on. They're in there. Good boy. Doing good. Try to make sure they're all spread out evenly. Good boy, Jason. Don't worry, it's not going to shake this time. You got them evenly. Somebody's trying to help. Good boy, Paul. Help him out. Good boy, Paul. Jason, go ahead, finish putting the clothes in. No, 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 not that. Not that. No, no, no. Yeah, just the white clothes. Yeah. Okay.